In this tutorial, we will break down the menu list function and the parameter alarm guidance function. For first-time users, it can be confusing to navigate the control. There are many different screens, and while we did our best to organize them in a coherent fashion, it does take time, as with any new technology, to feel comfortable with the navigation of the screens. For this, we added the menu list function, or menu list button. By selecting this button, the user can see all of the available screens. For example, if I was looking for the parameter section, I would select Menu List, search for the parameters. In this case, I don't see it, so I will page down, and as we can see, there is a parameter section. Using the arrow keys or the touch screen, I will make this selection, and as you can see, it will take me to the parameter page. While we are in the parameter section, we will look at the parameter guidance function. With any parameter highlighted, the user can select the parameter alarm guidance button to see a description and setting range of the parameters. The up and down buttons work to scroll through the parameters. You can also select other sections with the tabs at the top of the page. The alarm guidance function is similar to the parameter guidance function. Alarms for the control can be difficult to understand for some users, especially if it's an alarm they're not familiar with. When an alarm occurs, it will be displayed at the bottom of the screen. We can go to the alarm page under the diagnostics section, but this offers only a bit more information. To get a more in-depth description of the alarm, select the Parameter Guidance button, and a full description of the alarm will be displayed. Alarms can also be set in full screen by setting parameter 8971 to a 1.